equation. In this one, let me take the seventh problem. To find the roots of the quadratic equation, 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0 by factorization. So the equation is 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. First we must take the first term, last term. 100x square and 1. And multiply those two. 100x square into 1 is 100x square. And we will see that when you multiply any two numbers, we must get the answer as 100x square. When you add or subtract these two numbers, you must get the center number. Center number is minus 20x. So which numbers we have to take? We have to take minus 10x and minus 10x. Minus into minus plus 10 tens are 100. X into x, x square. So let us take the equation. 100x square. Instead of minus 20x, we have to take minus 10x minus 10x. Minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. And then we have to group two numbers in each group. So first we have to take this 2 and then these 2. So in this group 100x square and minus 10x, what is the common factor we have here? In this 2 we have 10x as common factor. When you take out 10x, what is remaining in this? 10 tens are 100. So it will be 10. X into x, x square. So x minus, you have taken out 10x, so nothing is remaining, that is 1, only 1 is remaining because 10x into 1 is 10x. Here, what is common? Nothing is common, so we have to take 1 as common factor. So 1 is the common factor here. Minus 1. Minus into plus, minus 1 into 10x is 10x. Minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1, that is equal to 0. In this one, what is the common factor? 10x minus 1. Here also you have 10x minus 1. So in this, the common factor is 10x minus 1. Take out 10x minus 1. What is remaining? This 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. Since you have the same numbers here, 10x minus 1 and 10x minus 1, you just take 1 and equate it to 0. So 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. 10x is equal to, minus 1 goes to the right side, it will become plus 1. So x is equal to 1, this 10 comes down, 1 by 10. Therefore, the roots of the quadratic equation, 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0 are 1 by 10 and 1 by 10. Now let me take the 8th problem. 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0. So first, what you must do is take the first and last term. That is 2x square and minus 300. Multiply these two. Minus into plus is minus. 2 into 300 is 600 x square. So what we must do is take any two numbers in such a way that when you multiply those two numbers, you must get 600. When you add or subtract those two numbers, we must get the center number. What you have in the center? 1x. So if you take 25x and 24x, when you subtract this, you will get plus 1. 25x minus 24x will be 1x. And when you multiply these two, minus into plus, minus 25 into 24 is 600, x into x, x square. So 2x square, instead of 1x, we have to take this one. Minus 24 plus 25, that is 25 minus 24 is 1x minus 300 is equal to 0. So at the time you must take two terms and group it. In this group, in the first group, what is common? 2x is common. When you take out 2x, what is remaining here? X minus 2 12s are 24 x. What is common in these two? 25. When you take out 25, what is remaining? X minus 25 12s are 300 is equal to 0. In these two, what is common? X minus 12, x minus 12. What is remaining? 2x plus 25 is equal to 0. So equate these two terms to 0. That is x minus 12 is equal to 0. Another one, 2x plus 25 is equal to 0. So x, this goes this side, is equal to minus 12 become plus 12 when it goes to the right side of equals. Next, let us take this. 2x plus 25 is equal to 0. 2 2x remains as it is equal to, my 25 will go to the right side, it will become minus 25. So x is equal to minus 25, this 2 comes down. So x is equal to minus 25 by 2. Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equation are 12 and minus 25 by 2. See students, if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section.